Okay, so this question says a flare is fired straight up from a ship at sea. The equation 16 times t squared minus 13t plus 40 is equal to 0, represents the height of the flare for t, the number of seconds. How long will it take the flare to reach a height of 640 feet? So the equation gives us the height of the flare. So it therefore means that if the flare reaches a height of 640 feet, then this is what's going to happen. Our equation, which is 16 times t squared minus 13t plus 40 is equal to 640. So with that said, we are going to use the distributive property to distribute that 16 to each of the terms inside. So our equation really becomes 16t squared minus 208t plus 640 is equal to 640. What do you know? In order to solve, we need to set our equation equal to 0, so we're going to subtract 640 from both sides of the equation. So what we end up getting is 16t squared minus 208 is equal to 0. In this case, we can factor out 16t because we know 16 goes into 208 13 times. So if we factor out 16t, then we're going to end up with t minus 13 is equal to 0. So we can use a zero product property here. We know for this to be true, for this statement to be true, either 16t is equal to 0 or t minus 13 is equal to 0. If 16t is equal to 0, then if we're solving, we would divide by 16 on both sides. T is equal to 0, or if t minus 13 is equal to 0, we would add 13 to both sides. So it would mean t is equal to 13. So based on how long will it take the flare to, at 0 seconds it's just starting, so the flare will reach a height of 640 feet in 13 seconds, because time was measured in seconds. So the solution that will work for us is 13 seconds.